day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Shein made us look beautiful. Thank you, Shein or Shane. Yes, guys, this is part 3 for our vlog. Remember, we are talking about the farewell. This is Untomkulu eseyakhona uyababa ngupelepele. She's my princess. Sizohamba naye siyamlandela. Nayi outfit yami for the day from Shein, guys. Kuyathengeka ka-Shein. Mawufuna uku-order, come to me, I'll help you, because every now and then we are starting the new thing in Shein, guys. I have many things about Shein. Come on board. And then this one is the outfit for the Ntomncane. Remember, she's supporting her sister. Nangu kuntomncane-ke naleyo vlog yakhona. Ayo angazi-ke besebenzakalani, ngithe nje angithi vavavum ngevidiyo encane. Kusho ukuthi uyayenza-ke into yakhona-ke ayazi-ke asibukeni ngoba phela if you know, you know. Kanti-ke nobaba naye uthi ngeke ngisale namhlanje ngicela ukuvela. Uthi-ke indoda yomZulu kumele yenze kanje. That's all I can say. Nayi i-outfit yakhe, the outfit of ubaba wamantombazane. Uzobona-ke mase siphuma, okay? Mncane uyazithandela izinto uthi ngeke ngisale. Yes, guys, we are almost there. As you see, we are going to the girl that is the day of her. I don't know if you didn't listen the first video. So go back and start afresh because you'll be supporting me. Start supporting this channel by subscribing, like, and share the positive comment. Please. Abantwana bagezile. We are waiting for the action. Here we come. The song of the day is Oncinga Unyoko. uPenny Ntuli besinaye because nayo nengane ngithi hhayi-ke sesiqedile-ke manje sisayoba bhizi nokuthi nje sithathe iy'thombe ngoba phela abantwana bethu bazamile. Yayize le nto leyo, sizele loko vele ukuthi babone ukuthi kunama-achievement ukuba sesikoleni. Yayizindaba. Because besiseduze vele ngathi ake siwokheni siyofaka inyawo emanzini ngoba vele untomkhulu befuna, then untomncane gijima phambili-ke naba-ke angazi kwenziwani. Ngiy'fakile ezami iy'nyawo ngaba manzi, oh my God, ngavele ngaphuma ngama ngaphandle. Yebo guys, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share the positive comment. I will be uploading the pictures to my shorts. All right, please, 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 please. Love you.